Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to zoom text in Canva. This is a canva.com website, and first I will create a new design. Let's go with an Instagram post to get this square template. Now, let's add a new text. To zoom in on a text in Canva, it's simple. Just select your piece of text and use this little circle on the corner of the text element and grab it and slide it like that in order to zoom in your text. And if you're talking about the preview zoom, before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also this other courses available in my university, just go to this link university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. If you're talking about the preview zoom in Canva, you can use this slider at the bottom. This is zoom out and this is zoom in. Now you can also, if you don't have space to keep grabbing this little circle, you can zoom out on the preview zoom and zoom in on your text. And this is how to zoom on text in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.